Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have another power hour clean with me. I have 1 hour before I have to go pick up my daughter, and I just have some basic cleaning. We still have breakfast dishes and all of that in the sink because today is a Wednesday and my son has remote learning on Wednesday. So he is in the dining room all set up, so I don't want to be too loud in the kitchen doing the dishes and all that stuff. So we have to tidy the bathrooms. We have to do some laundry. I have to pick up the living room. We have to vacuum. I have to straighten out some of Austin's drawers in his dresser because they are just a hot mess because my kids put their own laundry away, which is the downside of them doing those things because they don't put it away like I would put them away. But that is what we are going to do. We're going to start off by putting this load of laundry in the washing machine and then tackling those dishes. So I hope you guys enjoy these cleaning videos. I love to make these. They get me motivated and get me doing a lot of stuff all at once and not being distracted. So if you guys like that motivation and you like decluttering videos and all of that good stuff, make sure you are subscribed and let's get started.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
All right, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I was able to get everything done on my to-do list. It took me just a little over an hour because I walked my son to a friend's house, or part of the way, 'cause it's like a big hill and he just got a new bike. So I just wanted to make sure he made it down the hill okay. But other than that, maybe just about an hour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this motivating, I hope you stick around. I have plenty of cleaning playlists. I have a spring cleaning playlist that I will be adding a ton to over the next coming weeks, and also a minimalist playlist. So again, we'll be adding a ton to that. So I hope you guys stick around and hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.